In this video, we will talk about a foot massager that could be a great gift for your tired feet. Have you been thinking about taking care of your feet after a long time? Then this foot massager is perfect for you. It comes with features that are so amazing, you won't be able to leave the video. So let's check out the incredible benefits of this massager. Today's massager comes with heat therapy, deep kneading, compression, rolling, and smooth vibration. The most exciting part is that it has a built-in timer and 5 pressure settings. In other words, you can adjust the pressure and time according to your comfort. This massager can target every point of your foot, providing complete relaxation. For those who suffer from intense foot pain or fatigue, this massager is nothing short of magic. It has independent foot chambers that deliver an exceptional shiatsu massage to the bottom and sides of your feet. The heat therapy relaxes tight muscles, giving you even more comfort. Not only does it target the bottom of your feet, but it also applies pressure to various parts of your feet for complete relief. If you suffer from plantar fasciitis, neuropathy, or diabetes-related foot pain, this massager will give you pain relief. The shiatsu nodes are designed to work on pain points and improve blood circulation. As a result, you not only get comfort, but also improved foot health. This massager is not just for your feet, but it can also be used for your back, calves, and even hands. With its 360-degree adjustable handle, you can easily use it on other parts of your body, providing relaxation wherever you need it. It comes with 8 airbag units and heating settings to provide even more comfort. You can also customize the compression level and massage modes to suit your needs. It includes an LCD smart touch panel and a wireless remote control, allowing you to adjust the settings effortlessly without any hassle. After using this massager, you might feel slight soreness in your feet. However, this is a good sign as it indicates that your feet received the right massage. It's recommended to start with pressure level 1 and gradually increase it. This massager not only takes care of your feet, but can also relax your entire body. After long hours of walking or standing at work, this will be the perfect gift for yourself. So for your comfort and improved foot health, get this foot massager today. Take care of your feet and say goodbye to fatigue. Click the link below to purchase this product. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more exciting product reviews and helpful content. Your support helps us bring more great videos just for you.